So the next section of the Magic Quadrant I want to talk about is the Challenger section, which is the section I'm most excited about. Only 3 people made the Challenger spot, 2 of which Trellis is partners with, so obviously we're a little biased there. BigCommerce and Shopify, I think they're both doing, in my opinion, the best job in the e-commerce platform space. Both of them are making improvements around headless, they're making improvements around B2B, and many of the features that I think will eventually move them into the leaderboard position over time. As you can see, they have slowly moved up. If you look at previous charts, I think they were much lower down on the charts at any one point and have slowly kind of worked their way up. BigCommerce, I think, has done a really, really good job around becoming more of an enterprise solution, mid-market solution for B2B. They launched multi-site, which will help for multi-brand and international. They're working on some cool stuff around buy online, pick up in store, and just doing a really good job, I think, in headless and some of the more enterprise things that not many SaaS offerings at low cost of ownership like they can offer. Shopify also is doing a great job of that. I mean, Shopify has obviously done the best job in the B2C market, really cornered, I would say, the small, mid-sized B2C direct-to-consumer market. But they just launched their B2B functionality. You now have native companies and priceless, as well as a ton of new features that were recently launched. So I think you're going to see Shopify continue to move up market, focus on more and more of the plus merchants. I think they need to have plus X. I think plus is now, some of those companies, in my opinion, are still pretty small. So I think they almost need like a tier above that. And I think you're going to start to see them move into that tier. HCL, honestly, I don't know a ton about them. I know they were acquired, they're a spinoff. To be honest, I'm always kind of cautious and a little bit hesitant to work with a company that has been acquired a bunch of times, as well as doesn't have a large community. I don't think they have like a large agency partner program. I don't know a lot of developers that specialize in it or know the platform. Seems to be owned by a very large company that does a lot of different things. So I think they have some large customers, which kind of got them on that part of the list, but not so confident that they will ever move into the leaderboard. However, I am very confident that BigCommerce and Shopify will eventually be in the leaderboard, if not the top spots at some point in the future.